Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to take up modals, which are helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. The basic function of modals is to talk about the tone or the mood of the speaker. The first modal what we are going to take up is can. Can has two usage. The first usage is to talk about the capability of a person. Like for example, if I say I can sing, that means I have the talent to sing. I can sing. Okay. Next, the second usage of can is to make an informal request or a question which we ask generally to our friends. Can I take your pen? Can I join you in the party? Now next is could. Could is basically shows extreme level of politeness and formality. Like for example, could you please sign the papers? Could you instead of could, we can use another word which shows a lot of politeness, that is would. Would you like a cup of coffee? Next, second usage of could is it is the past tense of can. Okay, so I could stand on my head when I was small. So here we are actually using the past form of can. Okay, so I told you there are two words which shows extreme politeness. One is could, one is would. Okay, next is may. The usage of may is to show a strong possibility of something, probability of something. I may sing tonight. That means there is a high chance that I may sing tonight. May is also used for asking a formal question or permission. Like for example, if I have to enter, I will say, may I come in, madam? Now generally children, if they have to take permission to enter, they will say, ma'am, can I enter? That is wrong. Can is used for asking informal permissions, informal requests. Okay. Next is might. Might is the past tense of may, but the usage is slight different. Might shows weak possibility of something. I might come to the party only if I wish to. So chance is less of me coming up. Next is should. Should is the past tense of shall, but it is basically used to make a suggestion. You should wear clean clothes. You should do your homework on time. It's my suggestion. You might follow it, you might not follow it. Next, we'll take up must or have to. Now, must and have to both show compulsion. Something which you have to do. There is no option. But there is a difference between must and have to. Have to is also kind of compulsion, but it is because the rules and regulations of a particular place. Like for example, you have to wear your I-card to school every day. Okay, now here have to is better to use than must, because wearing I-card is due to the rules and regulations of the school. You have to show your I-card at the entrance of the airport. So again, it is because the rules and regulations of this place. Okay, you must respect your country. Okay, it's not because of any compulsion of a place or something. Okay, when it is related to rules and regulations of a place, there we use have to. Now, ought to is used for making social duties or obligations. You ought to respect your elders. You ought not to walk on the grass while walking in the park. Now, next most important one is will. Now, will, as the word suggests, will comes from the word willpower, willingness. It shows strong intention or confirmation of something. I will come to the party tonight. I'm showing my strong intention. I'm confirming something. It will take me 2 hours to complete the work. That means I have no doubt at all. I am 100% sure that it will take me 2 hours. Now, at the same time, if I have a doubt whether it will take 2 hours or not, I will have to use may. It may take 2 hours to complete the work. So if there is a doubt, I have to use may. If I'm 100% sure, I have to use will. So I hope you have understood. Please like the video and do let me know if you have a doubt. Thank you.